In modern agriculture, innovation has become more crucial than ever. From rising supply costs and labor constraints to changes in customer preferences for transparency and sustainability, the sector as a whole is facing major challenges, and these cutting-edge technologies have aided the agriculture industry in tackling the challenge of modernization. Number 1. Connected cow. The idea of a connected cow emerged from the installation of sensors in herds to track their well-being and boost output. Farmers can keep track of routine activities and health-related issues by attaching individual wearable sensors to cows, allowing for quick and easy operational decisions. This is based on the idea of genomics technology, which aids livestock farmers in understanding their herds' genetic risk and forecasting their cattle's future profitability. Therefore, producers can maximize the profitability and yield of livestock herds by making strategic decisions about the animal selection and breeding of their stock. Number 2. Highline NT Rock Picker. The NT78 rock picker has a high lift design that extends up to 2 meters, allowing boulders to be placed straight onto a trailer. It is built to be incredibly sturdy. Combining it alongside the RR4300 rock rake makes rock removal much easier, considering the boulders can be ranked into long rows before being picked. With a high-line hitch design, the rock picker is positioned completely into the operator's line of sight, and the whole picking width is on the outside of the tractor tracks. With a self-locking hitch, the hitch also brings the rock picker to an entirely new level of transportation ease. Highline makes use of a durable gearbox that is industry exclusive. The hydraulically operated gear case ensures that huge oil-bathed gears adjust the reel to the proper speed. The hydraulic drive gives users the freedom to remotely turn on, off, as well as reverse the reel. Number 3. John Deere DB120. The John Deere DB120 planter can help farmers in maximizing their limited planting window. With MaxEmerge 5 installed in the DB120, operators are able to achieve higher levels of productivity, boost uptime, and lower the total cost of ownership. It's all made possible by the equipment's mini hopper, pure air vacuum, double eliminator, and simple meter access, to name just a few features. The system operates automatically to maintain consistent planting depth and accurate soil penetration by the planting unit. Therefore, operators can now focus on various other planting aspects that have an influence on yields rather than worrying about manually adjusting operations based on the outside conditions. A greater amount of time can be spent in the field by farmers cultivating maize, sweet corn, popcorn, cotton, sunflowers, soybeans, and millet. Additionally, since CCS scales display the seed level directly on the screen in the cab, growers could get more certain about how much seed is still in the tank. Number 4. Agriculture 3.0. Agriculture 3.0 is currently at the forefront of a variety of the exact automation and artificial intelligence technologies more frequently associated with vehicle technology, despite how unlikely that may appear. The necessity to monitor and manage all inputs into crop production more effectively led to the development of Agriculture 3.0. New farming practices and equipment have been created as a result of precision agriculture and related agricultural technology. This new era of farming was made possible by the Global Positioning Satellite System, a revolutionary technology advancement. A given agricultural producing area can be more efficiently used by identifying deviations with the aid of GPS. The concept of sustainable agriculture and several automation alternatives were developed primarily for this purpose. Number 5. A rotary hoe. When rainfall is insufficient to activate pre-emergence herbicides, the rotary hoe can be used to manage weeds that arise soon after planting. The technique greatly improves infiltration and prevents erosion by causing very minimal disturbance to crop residue. The rotary hoe rotates soil and crop residue gently off the surface rather than burying much or all of it. The price is reasonable as well. 0.2 liters of fuel are needed per acre for rotary hoeing. To prevent dragging residue in areas with heavy surface residue cover, rotary hoe wheels should be designed to be self-cleaning. If a rotary hoe is used instead of chemicals, the need for herbicides may be reduced. It does not compress or till deeply, and it only partially buries crop leftovers. Thus, there is only a little effect on concerns like erosion and water quality. Agriculture appears to be advancing technologically at an increasing rate. Eventually, everything may be mechanized. Share with us your thoughts on the rapidly advancing agricultural industry.